Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can assign someone to an item in your GitHub repository and project. So let us dive into this. Head over to your repository on GitHub, navigate to your project by clicking to projects here, select it there. So I will go with this one here and go through that view here to navigate to your item. I created that one for demonstration purposes. So here to the right, guys, you will see the assignee field. So next to the given item, simply click into that drop-down menu and select the user, for example, from the suggestions, or you may search for a specific user by entering the username here. And after that, simply mark the given user as an assignee by clicking into that checkbox to invite the given user to work on the item. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.